Are you still seeing old addresses in your Amazon account? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove them in just a few simple steps. Keeping your shipping addresses up to date is crucial to make sure your packages always arrive at the right place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. If you're not logged in, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email, then your password, and hit Sign In. Once you're in, look at the top right corner for Account and List, hover over it and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll until you find your addresses and click on it. Here, you'll see every shipping address linked to your account. Take a moment to review them. Removing old addresses keeps things neat and avoids any mix-ups. Find the address you want to remove and click the Remove button next to it. Amazon will ask you to confirm. Click Yes to delete it permanently. And that's it. Your old address is gone and your account is cleaner and safer for future orders. Regularly managing your addresses can save you from missed deliveries or packages going to the wrong place. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your Amazon account organized. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials.